Few days ago, a company named Cognition Labs announced the born of Devin, the first AI software engineer who can code entire projects, take freelancing jobs on Upwork, fix GitHub issues, and even deploy code on its own. So there is a fear that software engineering jobs will be vanished soon. I'm gonna mention at least 7 reasons why Devin can assist but can't completely replace human software engineers. 1. Complex problem solving and creativity. Devin lacks the intuition, creativity, and innovative thinking that human developers possess. Human coders excel at solving complex problems and pushing boundaries. 2. Context and domain knowledge. Devin lacks deep understanding of specific domains, industries, and business contexts. Human coders draw from experience and domain expertise. 3. Adaptability and learning. Devin learns from data but lacks human adaptability. Human developers continuously evolve their skills. 4. Ethical and social considerations. Human developers weigh ethical implications and social impact. Devin lacks value-based decision-making. 5. Intuition and judgment calls. Human developers rely on intuition and gut feelings when making decisions. Judgment calls often lead to better outcomes, especially in ambiguous situations. 6. Edge cases and unforeseen scenarios. Real-world software encounters unexpected scenarios and edge cases. Human developers anticipate these situations, adapt code, and handle exceptions gracefully. 7. Understanding business goals. Successful software development aligns with business objectives. Human coders grasp the bigger picture, considering user needs, market trends, and business impact.
So the conclusion is, software development is more than coding. While Devin can write code, software development involves the entire lifecycle from design and planning to testing and deployment. Coders bring critical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to translate complex ideas into technical solutions. AI limitations. Current AI can struggle with understanding nuances, handling unexpected situations, and debugging complex problems. Coders can adapt and innovate to solve these challenges. Collaboration is key. Devin can be a powerful tool to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up coders to focus on more creative and strategic aspects. This human-AI teamwork is likely the future of software development.